Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are going to make a very healthy drink, that is coconut green tea. It is low in calories, super healthy, it's like a happy stomach tea. Very refreshing. So let's see how to make this drink. For this we require coconut water, green tea, and it's very easy to make. All you need to do is take some boiling water, then place in your tea bag and let it brew for about 2 minutes, and there you get your green tea. Any green tea you can take, sugar syrup, fresh mint leaves and ice. Okay, so we are going to start by taking some fresh mint leaves and we are going to muddle it to get those nice flavor and fresh juices of mint. Next we are going to take ice, sugar syrup, then we are going to add in green tea. Great source of antioxidants, and then top it with coconut water. Great source of energy and hydration. Give it a nice mix. So your coconut green tea is ready. It has an amazing flavor of mint, plus so healthy with the antioxidants of green tea and such an immense energy and sweetness and hydration of coconut water. It's really healthy, low calorie, and trust me on this, it tastes really good. Really healthy, really easy to make. And also we have another coconut water drink, which is a coconut water mojito. We have on our channel Sharda Cook, you can check over there, and we also have it in the description box. You can check it over there too. Really nice. So do try it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.